Hey guys, how you doing today? So here I am again at Savannah, Georgia, 2019 International, and we got the Cummins X15 engine, and the board is reading 218,000 miles, which is really good. Cab is completely messed up. Tied it with the chains, with some straps. Axle on the front, tied it, some chains. Tires are sold already. By the way, it's a 10-speed manual transmission on it. So if anybody interested in it, let me know. 2019 International X15 engine, 200. It's right there, X15. 450 horsepower and 218,000 miles on it. Got some good side skirts. This door is good. So, yep. X15 10-speed transmission. The wheels are sold. Got a good fifth wheel on it. If you guys need anything, let me know. It's a really nice engine. Really nice engine. Clean, no oil leaks. 10-speed. Actually, let me double check that. FRO 17210C. 200,000 miles on the transmission. Let me know what you guys need. I'm gonna be parting it out hopefully tomorrow or sometime next week. If you need anything, let me know. Have a good night.